Hello, this is Matteo Urbinati from the Fraiser Academy, the first and only online training school on router bits and anything related to the cutting and routing of wood. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY router sled that will allow you to use your tornado router bit safely and effectively to level your wood pieces, even if you're not a carpenter and you do not have professional equipment at your disposal. First, you need to measure the dimensions of the board to be leveled, so create a router base guide that fits properly. Remember, the most delicate part of the job is to calculate the right height of the sled, because routers have a limited vertical travel. Otherwise, it will not reach the wood slab and plane it flat. To build the router sled, we use a 20mm poplar plywood and 4x50 screws.
Tell me again, Mr. Bartender, please!
After cutting your sled base and your sled side bases, take them and join them with screws. To reinforce everything, you can also apply a layer of joint-hold vinyl glue. Then we're going to make the base guide that will hold your router. You'll need to get a measurement on the base of your router to make the actual sled base. Then attach it to the two side rails to hold everything very well in place. This way your router will slide only on in one direction. Put in some screws. Remember, more is better than less. Place the sled on the base where the raw board will go. Use two clamps to hold everything in place, and screw in your screws to attach the two guides on both sides of your sled. To make the sled slide move a lot easier, put several coats of a professional paste wax. You can also use laminate panels to make your sled. They will facilitate the sliding. Then, using the legendary Tornado router bit, plunge your router into the sled to begin routing a groove. This hole is where your bit will pass through to flatten any wooden board. And there you have it, your DIY router sled to perfectly flatten your piece of wood in a simple, safe, and cost-effective way. If you like this video and want more practical and effective tips on the world of router bits for wood, then the Fraiser Academy is the right place for you. Please note that the Fraiser Academy is currently only available in Italian. By continuing to follow our tips and tutorials, you will soon become very skilled and satisfied with your projects. You can find all the robust Fraiser router bits and tools used in this video, which are essential for achieving a flawless result, in the one and only online store dedicated to wood routing, www.fraisertools.com.